Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to find extra spaces in Excel cell. You can make Excel automatically highlight cells that contain leading, trailing the extra spaces. For this you need to select the data and then go to the Home tab and click on the Conditional Formatting and click on the New Rule. And now click on the Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Put the equal sign and A2 the first cell of your selected range and put the less than and greater than sign and type trim. Open the bracket and again type the cell A2 and click Format. And now in the Fill tab you need to select the color like red, blue, purple, whatever you like, and click OK. And now click OK. So any cell with the irregular spacing will now be highlighted, and here you can see that. So if you have a big data range, then if you do it manually it will take a lot of time, so you have to apply this conditional formatting formula. So the question is, now you want to remove the extra spaces, so you need to put a formula in a new column and put the equal sign and type trim. Open the bracket, select the cell's reference, close the bracket, hit enter, and now drag it to apply this formula to the other rows, and here all the extra spaces have been removed. There is another way. If you want to get rid of all spaces, like in a column you have a phone number or whatever the number IDs, then you have to press Ctrl H and put a single space in the find what box and leave the replace box with completely empty and click replace all and close it, and here you can see that all the extra spaces are removed. So this way you can find extra spaces in Excel cells. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.